Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. In this episode, we're going to be talking about AMC. Yes, that's right, guys. There's another short squeeze, just like it was on GameStop, but except for this time it's on AMC. It's not as shorted as GameStop was, but it's still pretty shorted, and we're going against the hedge funds, and they call themselves, we call ourselves, I can't call myself that, but they call themselves apes. Yeah, I can't call myself that. So us apes, we're in it for the long run. We're going to hold on to these AMC stocks as the price goes up until the short squeeze is completely over. And we're going to take our gains. We're going to make a lot of money from this and walk away victorious in the end. Now, over the last week, AMC has shot up from around $30 all the way up to around $70 in just a week. And the short squeeze hasn't even begun yet. Last week, I had put in a bullish option call on AMC at the beginning of the week, and I'm already up over 100%. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys the exact option strategy that I'm playing on AMC, and I'm going to show you guys about how much I can make from using this bullish option strategy and just holding on to my shares, holding on to my options in AMC until the squeeze is over with. I'm going to show you guys about how much I can make theoretically if we just all hold on to our stocks and don't sell. So AMC to the moon. But before we dive into it, this video is brought to you by Webull. Sign up now by clicking the link down in the description, depositing $100, and now you can receive 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. With those 2 free stocks, you could keep them inside the platform and decide to use it, or you can sell those 2 free stocks and withdraw all of your money. It's literally free money. Also left a link down in the description to Coinbase. That is by far the easiest way to buy and sell cryptocurrency. But enough talking, let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. Welcome back, dreamers. Here we are on my account. I'm sitting at around $58,112.33. If we scroll down to my AMC call buy option, the 34 strike price, here we go. Right now I'm currently up 116%. I made a profit of $1,283 already in just a week. That is amazing. That is the benefits of doing options on these meme stocks, on these shortest stocks, is that we can make so much money so fast. And if I do get assigned these shares, I'm just going to hold on to them until the short squeeze is over with, take my profits and run. Now, the only difference in between holding shares is that if the stock price dropped by 50%, then you only lose around 50% of your money. But if you're buying an option and the stock price dropped by 50%, you're pretty much going to lose all of your money. You're not going to lose just half. You're going to lose pretty much all of it. So that's the risky side of playing options, is that you do have the opportunity to lose all of your money. But the awesome side of playing options is that if you're trying to grow a small account very, very fast, the upside potential to this is unlimited. You can make so much money so fast. And right now, let me show you guys. I have an expiration date of 7/16. The average cost was $11. So I bought this long call for around $1,100. And right now it's worth $2,383. If I show you guys right quick, I hit trade, view all the options. We're going to go all the way out. The upcoming week is June. We're going to skip June 11th, June 18th, June 25th, July 2nd, July 9th, and July 16th. So we have the 34 call on July 16th. Right now, the price, see, I'm already in profit because I'm in the money. If I sell right now, that means I'm making money. But last week, at one point, AMC did go all the way up to $70 per share, and I was up around $4,000. That would have been an awesome time for me to 4x my money, taking a run. But I'm part of this, I hate saying this, I'm part of this ape community where we're just going to hold on to our shares. We're going to hold on to our options until the short squeeze hasn't even happened yet. If you guys don't know what that is, it's just like the GameStop stock. And if you don't know what happened with GameStop, then you probably don't need to be doing this right now. Do some research before you just hop in and start. This is not really investing. This is more of on the gambling side, but the gambling side is leaning a little bit more towards the retail buyers, and the retail buyers is us going against the hedge fund. So right now, if you guys want to go all the way out to July 16th, in the money cost is anything underneath the share price of $43.74. So you could buy one at 43 on the strike price at 43 right there for $2,103. But if you want to pick one out in the money, just remember AMC did once a point go above $70. So here goes one around $69. For the $50 call, the break even would be $69. So that is also $1,943. Now all of these prices on the IV is definitely inflated because AMC is just the numbers that they're pushing, the volumes that they're pushing every single week outweighs what they usually do in a year. So what they're moving in a week outperforms what AMC usually does in a year. So it is insane, guys. So the IV, let's look at it right quick. Yeah, the implied volatility on this strike price right here is 336%. So yeah, it is marked up. It would have been a lot better to get in on these options a couple of weeks ago. But hey, if AMC could go up to $100 per share, $150 per share, $200 per share, $300 per share. Yes, the company is not worth that itself, but it's getting short squeezed by these hedge funds, and we are going up against the hedge funds. So could it shoot up to $200? Who knows? But let me show you guys how much money I could make if AMC do decide to shoot up to $200, $300 per share. How much will my option be worth on July 16th? So let's go ahead and pull up the option profit calculator. All right, YouTube, here we are on the option profit calculator. I'm going to leave this link down in the comment section. Once you come over here, you want to click on the long call bullish. This is us bullish on AMC. The strike price, the symbol we're going to type in is AMC. Click price. There it goes. It's at $47.88. And the price per option that we had put in was $11. Yeah, that's what it was. All right, so we type in $11. That's how much I got it for. And then the option that we're going to select is through July 16th. Let's go all the way out to July 16th. Here we go, right there. And it was the 34, I believe, right? 34 strike price right there. But I had bought it for $11. So let's just click that. And the stock price range, let's say AMC is anywhere. Let's say if it goes down from $40 to $30. And let's say AMC could go all the way up to $300 per share. We're going to hit calculate. Here we go, guys. So with my $1,000 invested, if AMC shoots all the way down to $36 by July 16th, I'll lose $900. If it stays at $45 on July 16th, I'll break even. But if it's even a cent above $45, let's say $54, or let's just say it's all-time high of $70. If it ends on $70, I can make a profit of $3,600 with me just investing that $1,000 in AMC. Now let's say if AMC, this is us long buying it, AMC shoots up to $100. So let's go to this one, $108. And this other week out, let's say the end of June, it goes up to $108. I turn my $1,000 into $6,371. And if AMC shoots all the way up to $200, I would have turned $1,000 into $16,000. And just for shits and giggles, if AMC goes all the way up to $300, right here $297, I would turn $1,000 into $25,000. That is life-changing money for some people, guys. I know $25,000 is not a lot to most people, but if somebody give me $25,000 in just 8 weeks, if somebody give me $25,000, I will find a way to flip that $25,000 to 50. In fact, if it happens, I'm going to do a whole YouTube journey over me flipping $25,000 into $50,000. But that is amazing, guys. Hopefully we hold on to all our shares and AMC do go all the way up to $300 so I can make around $25,000. So hey, ape community, let's go, baby. So there we go, guys. If you made it to the end of this video, go ahead, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Let me know down in the comment section, are you holding on to any AMC stocks? If you are holding on, are you holding on all the way to the moon? Or do you have a set price? Do you gonna have AMC that, hey, if it ever reaches $70 again, I'm gonna sell, and then, you know, I'm gonna go in the thumbs down your comment, because we're supposed to be holding on for our dear lives all the way to the moon. But let me know down in the comment section, are you in on AMC, or is the price too high and you think that you're too late to get in? Or if you just don't know anything about this short squeeze at all, let me know all of that down in the comment section. But before you go, make sure you grab your 2 free stocks by clicking the link down in the description for Webull. Deposit $100, get your 2 free stocks. Other than that, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.